Okay, so this is an overview of Ableton, introduction to how it works, how to get instruments loaded, and what all the main areas are. So when you open up Ableton, it looks like this. It's got this vertical layout, and this is called the session view. Now, we're not going to spend much time working in this, so what we want to do is go over to this right hand corner and click on the horizontal view to put it into the arrange window. You can also do this by pressing tab on the keyboard. Now the main areas in Ableton, you've got your arrange window here, which is where your music will be sequenced. You've got your tracks up the right hand side, where you can change the volume, mute them, solo them, put them into record mode, and also change the inputs and outputs. So that's the track area, the arrangement area. Over on the left hand side here is where we find all of our sounds. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to delete these audio tracks just by clicking on them and pressing delete. And then on these two MIDI tracks, we're going to load a drum kit. So go to drums on the left hand side, drag in the kit core 909 onto that track. Now double clicking also works. On the track below, so the second MIDI track, I'm going to load an instrument, going to go into instrument rack, open up maybe some pianos and keys, and just put on some bright tines. So double click and that will go onto the track that I had selected. So this bottom area is where we can see our instrument and any audio effects that we have on there. So just to show you the audio effects, I'm going to go into here and just put on a simple delay with an eighth note. Drag that into there, and there it is. Turn that off for now. Okay, so that's how we get our instruments loaded in. And now I'm going to show you how to create a very, very simple drum beat. So using this kit core 909, I'm going to move my mouse up to here and pull downwards just to zoom in. And I only want to see use the first 4 bars. So these first 4 bars here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, up to bar 5. I'm going to highlight them, right click, and press insert MIDI clip. Now I can also do that by pressing Command Shift and M. Command Shift M. If I double click on the top bar of that, it will open up what's called the piano roll, or the MIDI note editor. This is where I'm going to draw in my MIDI notes. The first thing I want to do is right click in this area and change the fixed grid to 1/16. Now this is just going to stop us from drawing in notes that are way too fast. Okay, right, I'll see you in the next video where I'll explain a little bit about drum sequencing.